In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Gemini to Roblox Studio. In order to do that, you have three options. First option is to do it through an API key. So in your Roblox Studio, you can go to the top right and click on this AI assistant if it's not open for you. Once you do so, click on the three dots, as you can see here, then click on Manage API Keys. So from here, make sure the model is your Roblox defaults, and here you'll have to go to Google API, enable it, and click on Edit. Here, you'll have to enter a Gemini API key. Where can you get that from? You can go to aistudio.google.com/apps/API-keys, or go to Google AI Studio, then look out for API keys. Then you'd like to create your API key. As an example, create a project or give it a project to create it, give it a name if you want to. You can name it Roblox Studio or whatever you want. And once it's loaded, you can generate that key. So let's just wait for the key until it's generated. We'll have to copy it and paste it basically. Copy the key from here, and all you need to do just now go to Roblox Studio and paste the key right there and click on save. This is one of the ways to connect Gemini to Roblox Studio throughout the API keys. You can do so also using the MCP servers. So from here on MCP servers, make sure it's enabled and go to setup as example instructions, copy the JSON configuration, and from there you will need basically your anti-gravity ADE installed or downloaded. If it's not downloaded yet, you can just go and type as example download anti-gravity, or go to antigravity.google/download. Make sure to download it as an example, download the IDE. And once you do that, you will find yourself as example here. So you'll not find yourself here with manage like MCP or anything. So you'll find yourself with this. Click on the three dots again, then click on manage MCP servers. So then click on manage MCP servers at the top right, and you will find yourself right here. So no MCP servers are installed. All you need to do now is just click on view raw config and paste what you copied from Roblox Studio, from here, the JSON configuration. So once you do so, all you need to do, just go and close it, make sure it's saved, and give it a refresh. And as you can see, you are connected now to Gemini. So you connected successfully Gemini because anti-gravity uses Gemini to your Roblox Studio. You can give it whatever you want, you can disable whatever you want, it's totally up to you. The other option, or the last option basically, is using the Gemini CLI or CLI. So as you can see here, if we go back to the MCP as example settings, you'll find one client connected, which is the anti-gravity. For me, I'll close this for now. I don't need it. So if I go back to Google here, we can go to Gemini CLI, and of course you'll have to install it first. So you'll find the command right there. Just go and install it. You'll have to open again the MCP server, make sure to go and set up instructions, and here you'll find the startup command for CLI tools. So you will need, as we said, first of all, to download the Gemini CLI. And then inside that, you'll have to run the following command. It's a startup command for CLI. How can you know it's connected? Basically, once you find here one client connected, or if you connected using anti-gravity, you'll find another client. Basically, another client will be added, and then that means it's connected. So those are three options to connect Gemini to Roblox Studio. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.